Time for the strip down. Push her out of the way and get that down on its trolley over there. This is off to get the wiring done tomorrow. Alright, she's on her trolley. This is the floor I made for the inside. That'll lift up. The straps don't hold onto it. Alright, let's get it down the other shed. Go away, little bee. It's in the sun. Oh, focus. Out of the way. I like it. All right, let the fun begin. Cab's out of the booth. We get lifted onto there. Cut some foam there. Put on the blades of the fork. That's how I left it. I just put it from that window to that window. Nothing bends, it's fine. Then, take these off and paint them. Start fitting all this stuff. Console has to go in. It's got to be upholstered one day when it comes back from wiring. But we've got all that. That's my Dakota digital dash. New steering column. Aircon. Brake booster. All the lines down there. We got stuff everywhere. Anyway. It's not going to get done by looking at it, is it? Love it. Alright, about to lift her up. We've got our little safety pads. Yep, that's enough. Alright, so here we go. Hey. Alright, son. Yep. Okay, you come from the front here, mate, as well. When we come back a bit, I'll go to that. Yeah, that's good. Coming all the way down, Jaden. Coming out. Alright, cab's back on. Thanks, wifey and son. Alright, catch up later. Get some more on after. Alright, we've got our brake booster fitted. Steering column's in. Brake accelerator pedal. Aircon unit's in over the other side there. Lunchtime. Then we'll get the inner guards and stuff on. Starting to look like a truck again. Have a look at that. Okay, inner guards are on. We're going to have to throw the old bonnet on because I think it's going to rain tomorrow, and I don't want it all wet in there. Don't want all that getting flooded. But gives you a bit of an idea. All right. Got to stick the old grill on so I can bolt the bonnet down because the rain's going to piss down tomorrow, I think. The aircon lines are in, hooked up. Reservoir, brake booster. Now we're just going to get the old bonnet. Throw the old bonnet on. Just going to get drenched tomorrow going there now. Oh well, what are you going to do? Dakota Digital. To throw the old bonnet on, and obviously the grill on that because the bonnet connects to the grill, just to stop the water going in there. So for transport. Not putting guards or anything. I want it easy for them to get around to do the wiring. I've got to take the sides off. Seat frames in, consoles in, so hopefully they can hook it all up. Oh, I hope it doesn't rain. It's going to rain tomorrow, but anyway, I'll have to secure all this stuff. Take the dash out anyway. Alright, cheers. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Truck's loaded. These are all boxes, Dakota dash, boxes of wiring, every seal, you name it. Oh, got the keys out. But she's on the truck. All loaded up, ready for the morning. Here we go. I'm excited is an understatement. Oh, someone scratched it already. Oh, it was only painted last night. Everything's masked up. How dirty she is. Been sitting around so long. I'm excited.